Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add cover photo for Google Business Profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com business and then you see sign in button, so click on it. So we are in business profile manager and then you see verified business and then you see photo icon, add photo, so click on it. So we are going to add cover photo. First close this and then you see add photo, so click on it on blank section and then you see add a cover photo, showcase your business to customer. So your photo size should be 720 by 720. Now you see add a cover photo, so click on it. So you can select photo from your system. So select photo from your system and after that photo will be uploaded and show as your cover image for your business profile. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.